Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your Android version and freeing a little storage. That prevents install errors. Once done, back up your current theme or settings so you can revert if needed. Now open Settings and go straight to Display or Themes. Some phones list wallpaper and style instead. Make sure you have a Google account signed in for theme store downloads. You're ready to pick a theme source, built-in themes, a launcher, or a third-party store. Start with the built-in options first. Next, browse the built-in gallery or open the theme store to see more options. Preview several to compare icons, fonts, and color accents. When you find one, tap Preview to inspect home screen, lock screen, and icons. This is where you decide if the contrast and legibility work for you. If you downloaded a launcher, install it and set it as default when prompted. Make sure to allow any permission requests for icons or wallpapers, so the theme applies fully and consistently across apps. Apply the theme and take a quick walkthrough of Home, Lock Screen, and App Drawer to confirm everything looks right. If spacing or widget sizes need tuning, move widgets or adjust font and display size and accessibility. Make sure your default launcher remains set if you used one, otherwise Android may revert. If the theme fails to apply, clear the theme or launcher app cache and restart the phone. This often resolves broken icons or partial theme installs. If problems persist, revert to your backup and try a different.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.